One of the most recent, Shaquanda Brown, was also reportedly injected with a similar substance as Raji. She wanted to make her bottom, she said, as big as the Duchess. Well, her attorney, Spencer Ehrenfeld, takes on cases like this in the South Beach area, has some words of advice for everyone considering a cosmetic procedure.
As a result of these injections, you almost lost your life. Tell us about that.
I was getting like flu-like symptoms, nauseous, dizzy, lumps on the buttocks. They started leaking, so I had to go to different hospitals to figure out what was in me. I spent 30-something days in the hospital.
She had MRSA and a staph infection. This is a very, very lucky lady.
Spencer, I know you have a lot of experience dealing with these type of problems.
Unfortunately, most of the clients I've represented will spend more time picking out a pair of shoes than they will selecting their plastic surgeon. So you want to take your time. Do not be in a rush and don't be pressured. You want to search the website of your Department of Health for your state and verify that the physician is in fact licensed. Ask the doctor, interview them, and say, what hospitals do you have staff privileges at? Just because they see diplomas on the wall or somebody has a very fancy website or a billboard on a highway doesn't mean that they're a licensed, board-certified plastic surgeon.
It's a very powerful message, and for everybody else out there, hopefully they won't fall into that same trap.
And luckily, this is obviously a unique scenario. We don't want to give the impression out there that, you know, all plastic surgeons out there don't know what they're doing. As a board-certified plastic surgeon yourself, let's give people some tips on ways they can enhance their flat tush, or if they're worried about flat breasts.
I mean, I think
in a
it's
safe
a good
way.
segue. What if you want to enhance your tush? What is the best way to go about it? And you know, looking in the media with some like J-Lo and Beyonce, I mean, a lot of women look at that and say, hey, you know what? I would like to have a little more full derriere. And a couple options to get that result. We do have buttock implants that are safe. They don't migrate, similar to a breast implant that you put in through the butt crease. Probably the biggest thing we're doing now is what we call the Brazilian butt lift. You take fat from one part of your body. You need a pretty good volume of fat and inject it into the bottom, and that does give you a safe, permanent enhancement of your buttocks. You're using your own tissue. But surgery isn't for everybody. Try to be happy with what God gave you, and maybe try some other easier alternatives.
Just like these.
Well, we're going to get to these, and these are the booty pops.
Yeah.
You wear these, and they make your booty pop. But before you get to the booty pop, try some exercises.
Yeah,
you know,
I like that.
isolate
You
your
gotta work
glutes.
it.
Do some. If you go to a trainer, if you want to enhance your bottom, there are things you can do to do it. And in fact, our society, the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, we recommend the booty pop. That recognizing that this surgery can be painful, it can be expensive. Why not, on special occasion when you want to look a little extra special in those jeans, wear the booty pops.